Hey everyone, welcome back to BugNoJutsu, the channel where we break down LeetCode problems like a pro ninja. Today we're solving an elegant and simple problem. Convert binary number in a linked list to integer. It may look basic, but it teaches powerful concepts you'll see again and again in technical interviews. Let's jump right into it. We're given a singly linked list, where each node contains either a 0 or a 1. This linked list represents a binary number. The most significant bit, that is, the leftmost digit, comes first at the head of the list. Our task is to convert this binary number into its decimal, base 10, equivalent and return it. Let's understand with an example. Imagine the linked list is 101. This means the binary number is 101. In binary, this equals 1 times 2 power 2 plus 0 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 0 is equal to 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the function should return 5 for this input. The key is to interpret the linked list as if it's a binary string, and then compute its decimal value. Let's solve this problem in two different ways. First, we'll take a beginner-friendly approach by building a binary string and converting it to decimal. Then we'll move on to a more optimized method that uses bit manipulation with constant space. Both are elegant, and understanding both will make you a better problem solver. In my approach, I used a very intuitive method. As we traverse the linked list, we collect each node's value, either 0 or 1, and convert it to a string. We build a list of these binary digits as strings. Once we reach the end of the list, we join all the strings together to form a single binary number in string format, for example, 101. Then we use Python's int method function with base 2, which instantly converts that binary string into a decimal number. It's clean, easy to understand, and perfect for beginners learning how to handle linked lists and binary operations. Now let's talk about the optimized approach. Instead of building a string or list, we can compute the result on the fly using bit manipulation. Here's how it works. We start with a variable, let's call it number, initialized to 0. Then for each node in the linked list, we do two things. Shift number left by 1 position, which is like multiplying it by 2, and then we add the current node's value. This mimics the way binary numbers work. Shifting left means increasing the place value. So as we move through the list, the number is built up correctly bit by bit. This version uses constant space, avoids storing extra data, and is more efficient overall. Let's break down the complexity. Time complexity, ON, where n is the number of nodes in the linked list. We need to visit each node exactly once. Space complexity. In the first method, we use ON space to store the binary digits in a list. In the optimized method, we use O1 space, no extra memory except for the result variable. This problem may seem basic, but here are some valuable takeaways. It reinforces how to traverse linked lists, a core skill in data structures. It introduces you to binary number manipulation, which shows up often in bitwise problems. You learn how to write both clean beginner-friendly code and space-optimized code, depending on the situation. You also see how small tricks like number equals number times 2 plus bit can simulate binary operations efficiently. This is exactly how real interviews evolve. They start easy, then move to "can you optimize this?" And that wraps up today's problem. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BugNoJutsu for more clear and concise LeetCode explanations. Let me know in the comments, which version did you prefer? The readable one or the optimized bitwise version? Until next time, keep coding and stay bug-free. Peace out, ninjas!